Happy 1st December! Good morning! Guess what? It's the 1st of December. Woohoo! So, just getting ready for the first of my daily dashes. Woohoo! Right, I'm out from a run, and one of our little challenges is to find a number for the day, and look what, in this shop display I found a number 1. Woohoo! And I am done, and I have to say I really wasn't feeling like it, but I got it done, and I'll make up the rest of the 5k walking later on today, probably a walk after dinner. Come join us, and remember, you don't need to be doing 5k every day or 5k running or 5k walking. Just do what you can and it will be good. And woohoo! Guess what? We're in training. That's Super Sue in the water. There's Emer, who's adjudicating for us today. She is amazing. So, see you on the other side.